you want to learn Python but you don't know where to start? Many beginners fail before writing their first line of code. Today I will show you the easiest way to install Python using Anaconda, step by step. So you have to watch this video until the end, because by the end of this video you will have Python fully installed and ready to run your first program. So if you are new here, please don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues, and please remember to open the bell so that whenever we upload any video you will get notification. So without spending much more time, let's get started.